If you are traveling with Air France and you want to add extra baggage and you don't know how to do it, then this video will guide you that how to add extra baggage in Air France. First things first, you need to go to Air France official website and log into your account if you have one. If you don't have any account, then you can just simply create an account on Air France. Then at the home page you will find a book a flight. Now here you just need to set takeoff and landing location in this website. Also you can add travel dates and the persons, that one adult, two adult, or three adult, or two adult, one child, just like this. And then you just need to select the class you want to book a ticket of. Now click on search flights, and from here you can find the list of airlines that are available on that day and the pricings. Also find a suitable flight for yourself. I'm going to select this one for the sake of this video. You can see three types of planning here. Then you need to set up a return flight date. They are now checking the available date for returning flight here, and then you will see available date and the pricing according to the dates. Then select one of the available dates here. Now you have to select a returning flight from here. Just select it, and the process is same as before. Now from here you will find the details about the departing flight and return flight. Then click on continue to passenger details. Wait till the loading is complete. Then you just need to fill up this with the required details. You just need to add your type, then the first name and last name, your birth date here, the day, the month, the date, and year. And also you can see the option I want to add a frequent flyer number, I need special assistance. If you have those facilities, then you can enable it. Then the contact details, you have to enter your phone number and the email address here. Then click on this checkbox to accept their terms and policy. Then just click on next. Then the next step is the extra option, and after completing the personal details you will find the extra option. From here you can purchase a extra seat, and also you can purchase the extra baggage from here. Right down of it you can find the baggage option. Just click on it, and here you can see they have mentioned the measurements about the extra baggage, that maximum weights for your selected cabin is 12 kg. Also the personal item for hand baggage and checked baggage, the maximum weight and height are mentioned here. So follow this measurement carefully. Then you can add one baggage items extra for USD 80, two baggage items, three baggage items, four baggage items for extra for USD $764. Just like this you can select as you want, and the price also mentioned besides the baggage items. Then you can see this is the ongoing way, and also you can add extra baggage for your returning flight too. Then from here I'm going to select on baggage items, and here you can see the extra payment are showed up here that are USD 80. Just click on continue to confirm the payment. Remember, this cost will be included with your full cost of a flight when you are at the last step. When you are going to book a flight, then you will find the whole costing details from there, and you can just pay this cost by your credit card or online banking. That's how you can add extra baggage to your Air France flight. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another video. If you have any question left yet, you can just drop this in our comments below. We will be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.